Jada Kingdom says she's ready for a baby.
What age you want to have a baby? Age right now? Age right now, right through? Age today.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic.
Yes, so Jada Kingdom and her boyfriend Versesimmonds, they have a new song called Bedroom Bully, so they might promote the song. So last night they decided to do a Q&A. They posted in the week and said they were going to do a question and answering. So they did it last night, and people may tell you a bag of things talk. You see me? Them never left no stone unturned. So, you know, I kind of have to cut out the juicy bits them do, because I could have put everything in this video. But, you know what I mean, I try my best to narrow it down to some important and some factual things what she say. All right? And him say also. So, welcome to the Dancehall IG channel. So, I have some video to show you, some video clips to show you what Jada and Versi go on with last night. So, I know say a lot of they did it, but for the ones who weren't there, you know, I have the question. I go say the question and tell them to make them answer upon the video. So, the first question was how they met, right? And Jada give a story. So, here where Jada's story is. Here goes.
We actually met in Atlanta, actually. So, yeah. That's basically how we met. We met in Atlanta.
What the question is?
We can't tell you how. We don't want the details of how.
That's what the hair for.
So basically, out me the walk on the road, and me have my handbag over my shoulder and sing and everything. But breeze that blow hard. So my handbag end up drop a ground, and then him out of nowhere just come and just help me with my handbag, and I say thanks, and him look me in my eye. I'm looking at him eye, and then boom. We just click.
Yep.
No, babe.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's how everybody to meet these days.
Yeah, that's how everybody I meet. We just bumping on one another. Boop. Like so.
Boop.
No?
No. Yeah. I might like that.
I joke, Ravik.
I wonder which movie Twinkle get that out of. Anyway, Versesimmonds did answer the question, because this question I run all night. You know what I mean? When people join the live and them never hear it, them ask it again. And so the whole night people ask, oh no met. But Versesimmonds did give a legitimate answer, and I believe that this is the truth. This is the truth. So here what I must say. How them meet. Here goes.
Okay, so initially we met through an A&R that put me onto her music, but I was already onto her music already. So after that, we ended up reaching out to each other, communicating. Then we ended up meeting in Atlanta, and then we started to work. And then and we ended up working on some great music.
And
Building a real vibe, and you know what I'm saying, everything else led to where we is now.
Yeah, people, so I don't hear what the man says. So I said they met through an A&R. So that's like a person who, you know what I mean, find artists and put them with label or thing or match artists together. So I say, few people them want to know. I know what most people know. You see me? So when you hear what Twinkle say, how Twinkle go on, right? So there were a bunch of questions. People like me are telling some breed or something talk. Me I tell you no. You see what I say? Then get real personal and the people them really drill them. You know what I mean? And to my surprise, them answer more so I think them something were even personal. You know what I mean? We don't have to see the full thing for hear some of them things. You see what I say? However, it's very long. It's like an hour and a half. You see what I say? But here we go on now. So our next question was asked, and they asked Twinkle say, what's she see in the future? And this was a reply. Hear this.
First of all, I'm going to tell them the things them. Because I'm not telling the things them people. I go breathe. Yeah, belly I go big and shine. Yeah. And yeah, I'm going to put a ring on it, period. Not ask twice, not cries. And we're going to live happily ever after. Amen.
Amen.
Amen. Simple as that. And yeah, big house and big car, them and everything. What else? Next question. What age you want to have a baby? Age right now? Age right now, right through. Age today.
Yes, so when you hear what Twinkle said, the future look bright for you and our spooky, so me I say kids. However, they did talk about how many kids them want. Him say him want 2 kids and she want 2 kids as well. So I guess they both want 2 kids, right? So, you know what I mean? While they need up on the live, people are like, oh man, I said the man have kids already and thing, and the man I say, oh, wanna give me pitney and them thing. Them I tell them say a bag of things go on people, you see me? And one at a time one girl all try to take away Twinkle Man and Twinkle off to defend that, you see me? But like I say, I could have put everything in this video. But however, you don't know Twinkle go on and love create excitement about her boyfriend because she rate him to a ground. You understand? So Twinkle draw the tune for me, so me I say, I know say the came up them love that tune here, so me I say. So no know say you better, right? She said she wrote this song about him, so you better is about Versesimmonds. So if we never know, or if we never know, sorry, we don't know now. So when she has sing you better, and I say pull up on the east side, a Versesimmonds she attacked to. So let us tune into Twinkle. I tell Versesimmonds how that tune ya come about. Here goes.
Babes, you were here when I wrote the song. Oh, you mean if me love him, I need no other body. Every time you book me have a ask, so me so lucky. So you can't fuck me, not so fussy about the money. But don't take show off. Remember, say me and I do me, you a walk with a steel pipe. You have to think twice. Push it in a me and so cocky for have life. You can come from my face or anywhere that you like. Boy, I just pull up on the east side. Yeah, and bring the cocky, make me ride. I can't wait for my fuck to my song one time. Give it up one time for the love of my life. Say you, love how my flat belly fit me.
Hey.
Pum pum tight him call me itsy bitsy.
Hey.
Yeah, so now hear what Twinkle go on with, right? So through all the midst of that though, there was some serious bits, and me I try my best to remember like the real serious part. Them, however, I did find one little piece where, you know what I mean, them really the fans them ask them what them really love about each other, and you know, me did like how them answer that, because you know, him give an answer and Twinkle give an answer. So this are like when I see you spot them still, but you know what I mean, I only heap of things talk people. Me keep on say that, but we never understand. You see what I say? Some of the things that we talk, me them want to say it here because, you know, this is YouTube and they have them community guidelines. And even though I don't know if they know me, I chat with the Patwa and, you know what I mean, Facebook as well and the other side there. You see me? I don't really want to say it. But however, let's get to this question. So the question is, what they like the most about each other. So Versa go answer and then Jada answer. So here goes.
What do you love the most about Jada?
You funny.
I'm funny.
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh. So Jada, other than the body, what else? Jada, other than the body, what else you like about him? Well, everything else really. Like, him super caring, like super duper caring. Like, him get the best advice, and him just know how to deal with me, and him know how to calm me down. Like, I'm just know what to say every time, and you know, and him just make me feel really safe. Like, he's my home. And yeah, like, perfect. And then the body on top of it, crazy.
Yeah, people. So remember, I said this Q&A was to promote their song, and it's called Bedroom Bully, and it's sung by both of them, right? So it's Jada Kingdom and Versesimmonds Bedroom Bully. And they did mention that they have more work for forward, right? Because when I time Verse, I say they might do a project, and Jada say, you know, no choice. That is a must. You gotta do it. You see me? So it look like Jada boss up the man when it come down to the work. You see me? So I like to see it, two of them I live good. I like to see what that I go. I like to see Jada happy, you know what I mean? And definitely she's happy here. So big her up for that and big up Verse. We're keeping her happy. You see what I say? So people, you know, check out their song and, you know, big up all the people that will support Jada and big up all our people them where, you know what I mean, always check out our music and thing. You see me I say, keep our going. So that brings us to the end of today's video. So if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the family. For all my long-time subscribers, thank you for watching, right? And if you just subscribe or you're about to subscribe, please turn on the bell icon for daily updates. So thank you for watching. Have a wonderful night, day, or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Thank you very much.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yadi.